Welcome everyone to the next video of this channel. Next video of this channel? Are you joking? It's not next video of this channel, boy. It's another video of this channel. Okay, let's calm down. As you can see, I've got some upgrades here. Today we're gonna talk about setting up shift up or down to select text, just like in VS Code. This is the first video of the new series, configure Neovim just like VS Code. And we have a demo here. First of all, I'm gonna show you the selection Vim configuration in Vim script. So, as you can see, I'm pressing shift down and shift up to select text, and also in insert mode. And as you can see, I cannot leave insert mode because I use this Control O, which is specific to run a command in insert mode without leaving insert mode. Okay, I'm gonna test this with a blank Neovim configuration. I'm gonna use selection and selection.vim and open this file. Okay, this is a blank Vim, I mean Neovim, and I'm selecting text with shift up and shift down, so it's working. Also in insert mode. Okay, that's fine. Let's move to the next one. Selection.lua. This configuration is very useful and great for Lua style. You can also configure Neovim in Lua, which is a great language for configuration. Okay, I have a function here to simplify the code. You can use like this with Vim API and Vim set key map, but it's very ugly, and you simplify the style of the code. And yeah, right here I map in insert mode, visual mode, shift up, shift down, and for normal mode. Okay, I didn't explain why I added this K. This K is to help the movement when you trigger the key. Normally when you trigger visual mode, you don't go up next line or down. And this helps a lot, because when you press just once shift down, you go down and select both lines, just like VS Code. Yeah. That's it. And this mapping is to simplify the movement again, because if I, for example, if I don't have this mapping and I trigger shift up, I cannot go up or down while pressing shift at the same time without this mapping. So as you can see, this is very useful. I press shift up, shift down while moving. It's not necessary to press shift every time, but this makes things easier for VS Code reflexes. Now let's test this selection.lua. Again, blank configuration, but just in Lua. And yeah, a blank Neovim, and it works. And in insert mode also. Very cool. That's it for this video. Let's grow this channel, boys. Help me up, make a great community with Neovim users and Lua configuration, of course. Thank you for this video. Like, subscribe, and goodbye. Have a good day.